Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is shortly, but I'm going to wait for the little yellow plane. Going to depart on runway 5, and I'm going to be doing pattern work for a while. Okay, the thing's turning, it's heading in the right direction. Okay, so this is runway 5. Let's set it up for 5. There we go. Let's add some power. Add some right rudder. All power, all right rudder. Well, not all right rudder, but enough. There we go. We got speed. Indication we are at 55. Let's go fly.
Middletown Airport, Piper 509 Hotel is turning base 408, touch and go, Middletown Airport.
Okay, let's pull the gear up. Boy, does this thing climb on a day like this. Really does. Climbs like crazy.
We
got 1,000 feet. We're going to
Charlie.
1650.
Downwind.
Medicine Service Cessna 691 Charlie on teardrop entry, left downwind runway 310 go back.
Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning crosswind for 5. Middletown.
Cincinnati West 1763 X-ray, crosswind for runway 1, Cincinnati West.
Okay, so we don't need all that. Let's pull some power. Get our manifold pressure down to 23 will work. We're going to pull our prop back a little bit.
Charlie entering left downwind runway 3, touch and go.
Okay, so now let's pull it all the way to 20.
Cincinnati West, downwind for 1763 X-ray, downwind for 1, Cincinnati West.
Military Airport, Piper 509 Hotel is departing 8.
Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is downwind for 5. Middletown.
Military Airport, Piper 509 Hotel, turning downwind for 8. We'll be departing to the west. Good day. Middletown.
Okay, so there we are at the end of the runway. We're going to pull this thing back to 1500. We're going to pull some carb heat, and we're going to drop the gear. There we go, gears down.
Vanward traffic, Symphony.
Mixture rich.
8 northwest, inbound 27, Vanward.
Vanward traffic, Warrior 43661, enter the 45 degree downwind for 0135.
Cincinnati West 1763 X-ray, final for 1, Cincinnati West.
There we go. One flap. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning base for 5.
traffic, we're 661 left base 013 west.
Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning final for 5. Okay, so we've got 3 whites, 1 red. That means we're a little high, but not ridiculous. We're set at 1500. Let's drop in full flaps now. Okay, there we are. That's exactly where we want to be. 2 white, 2 red. Okay. So we're at 80 knots. We just went a little high. We're going to pull a little power. Okay, I can see my gear down. Prop's going full forward. There we go. Bring 1 red back. Down to 75. Okay, we're still a little high, but it's a long runway, so that's fine. .65, look down the field, not at the runway first, down the field. Nope, nope, little moves, little moves, little moves. There we go. Couldn't do it better. Flaps up. Full power. Rotate. Okay, let's try and control your pattern altitude a little better this time. Okay, gear up. Power beat in, should have put that in earlier. Okay, I don't need, let's pull the power back to there. Pull this one back. So we're now at 25 cruise climb as we turn crosswind. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning crosswind for 5, Middletown. So we're climbing at 80, we're at 1,300 feet. We got 350 feet to go.
Traffic FBO truck at North T Hangars taxiing to FBO ramp via taxiway outside Middletown traffic.
Vanward traffic, Symphony 70 Alpha entering midfield crosswind from the north, or 27 Vanward.
Okay, turning downwind. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning downwind for 5, Middletown. Okay, so now we're going to pull the power. We're going to pull back to 1700. See how that works today.
Vanward traffic, Symphony 70 Alpha, left downwind 27, Vanward.
Okay, that's keeping us pretty good, about the altitude I want. So I want to hit the end of the runway at about 100 knots. At pattern altitude, or about pattern altitude. Okay, there we are. We're coming up parallel with the runway.
Face 27 Vanward.
So at this point, I am going to take it to 1500. We're at 95 knots. I'm dropping the gear. I'm putting in 1 flap. Okay. Gears down and locked.
Greenway traffic.
I'm going to put the prop full forward.
Departing pattern.
So we're about 14 inches on the manifold pressure. And we're doing RPMs of 2200. Okay. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning base for 5, Middletown. Okay, so now I'm going to put in full flaps. Here we go, full flaps. Showing I'm high, so we're going to pull back a little more power. Middletown traffic, 107 Tango Sierra is turning final for 5. Okay, so you turned final just a little late. And you're a little high. You're about 500 feet right now. There we go. You got one red light. You're getting there.
Nor airport in sight. About 4 miles to the east-northeast.
Okay, so we're at 70 knots. A little high. I'm adding just a little power, get it up to 1400. 14 inches actually, because I'm flying a complex. Props full forward, flaps are in, gears down. Okay, we're not pulling power all the way off. Okay, so let's look down the field, down the field, down the field. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Here we go. That was lovely. Flaps up, flaps up. Mixture full. Rotate. Okay, so let's pull my power back to 25 inches. 2,500 RPMs. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning crosswind for 5, Middletown.
Madison traffic, Cherokee 7255 Whiskey is crosswind for runway 3. Madison. I am turning crosswind for runway 3 at about 3 miles to...
Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning downwind for 5, Middletown. Okay, so let's pull it to 20 inches. Here we go. Altitude looks good. We're zipping along here at 95 knots, so I can put my flaps in if I need to.
Madison traffic,
which I will shortly when I reach
turning downwind
across from the
runway 3, Madison.
arrival into the runway. There we go. We're across from the end of the runway. We're going to pull the power back to 1500. We're going to drop in first flaps. There we go. We're going to pull the carb heat. Prop full forward. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning base for 5, Middletown. Which for those of you watching the video means that I'm turning base for 5. Okay, we're going to pull our one up here and see if we've got the lights. Yep, we're high. Okay, so let's pull it back to 1200. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning final for 5. Okay. Flaps all the way in. Yeah, you're 500 feet above it, Bruce. Props in, fit mixture rich, gears down. Beautiful Middletown Regional Airport, and they're putting up the Christmas lights to the right side of the field. Okay, there we go. We finally got a red light. How much? Oh, down the field, look, down the field, down the field. Down the field, down the field. There we go. Perfect. Couldn't do it better. Okay, flaps are up. Full power. Fixture. Up we go. Okay, at the end of this one, I'm going to taxi in and try again to get my live stream going, because that'd be really nice to have the live stream going. Okay, so we're at 1,000 feet. Let's pull back power to 2,500. Prop. You guys know what I'm saying. The engine's manifold pressure, it's 25 inches. The RPMs are at 2,500. We're going to head over here to, there we go. That'll work. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning downwind for 5. Middletown. There we go, we're going to take it down to 20 inches, going downwind. $317, there we go. Yeah, we want to get to, you know, like 100 or 95 before the end of the runway. We're now at 95. And we need to be under 100 so we can put our flaps in. There we go, gears down. One thing of flaps. Carved heat. Pull it back to 15 inches. Prop full forward, that'll bring it to like 2200. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning base for 5, Middletown.
Middletown traffic, Lightning, 340 X-ray Sierra, taxiing out from the eastern hangars to 05 Middletown.
Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is turning final for 5, Middletown.
Randolph County traffic, that go downwind runway.
Okay, there we go. What do we got? Take it down just a little bit. Flaps all the way in. Prop full forward. Mixture rich. Okay, let's get back over here over the runway. That'd be nice. We're about 100 feet right now.
Inside west traffic, south to 537 is 2 miles. North inbound, right 45 to left downwind 01.
Power in. Okay, down the runway. Look down the runway. So keep the nose up, down the runway. Here we go. So sweet and pretty. Nose wheel is doing well. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is departing the active runway on Charlie. Middletown traffic, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is off the active runway.